Welcome, everyone. Grab a seat, maybe a warm drink, because today we're looking into something really lovely, a kind of at-home spa experience.
Yeah, it's a great little find. We've been reading this really interesting blog post over on 420formulator.com.
Sure.
It's all about making your own massage candle, but, not just any candle. This one actually melts down into this amazing warm oil you can use right on your skin.
Oh, wow. And 420formulator.com, that's run by Mike Harmon, right?
That's the one.
And what's so neat about this candle idea is, well, we usually just think of candles for scent, maybe some mood lighting.
hmm
But this, it flips that idea. It's like a functional skincare thing that happens to be a candle. It's quite clever, actually.
It really is. And one of the key ingredients Mike talks about is CBD, cannabidiol.
Okay.
It comes from the hemp plant.
Mhm.
And just to be clear for everyone, CBD isn't psychoactive.
Mm.
It won't give you a high like THC does. It works differently.
Right. CBD seems to be in everything now. Sometimes it feels a bit, overhyped.
Yeah, I get that.
So for something like this candle, what's the actual benefit? Like, what does the science say about putting it on your skin? Is it just a trend?
No, there's definitely something to it, and the blog covers this. CBD is known for being anti-inflammatory and analgesic, which just means pain relieving.
Okay.
So applied topically, like in this warm oil, it can be really good for, say, sore muscles or tension, or even just calming down irritated skin.
Mm-hmm.
But it also interacts with our body's own system, the endocannabinoid system,
Right.
which helps regulate things like mood, sleep, pain. So the CBD sort of helps nudge that system towards balance. It adds to that feeling of relaxation, that overall sense of well-being. Perfect for a massage oil, really.
If that makes sense, it's working with your body. Does it soak in deep or is it more surface level?
The blog points out it's mostly localized. It works with the receptors in your skin.
Ah, okay.
It doesn't really get into your bloodstream much from topical use. So it's great for targeting that specific sore shoulder or that patch of dry skin.
Gotcha. Targeted relief. So, the blog gives you the whole recipe, right? How to make it.
Yep. Full instructions, clear step-by-step, even how to make the cannabis-infused oil, if you want to go that route. But you don't need, like, a chemistry degree.
Good to know.
And here's something really interesting. Mike apparently adapted this formula from one that was originally created for, like, a proper high-end spa.
No way.
Really?
Yeah.
So you're essentially making a spa-quality product in your own kitchen.
That's amazing. And just to be super clear, that cannabis-infused oil part,
Totally optional.
right, Mike includes it as an option, but the candle works perfectly fine without it.
Absolutely. It'll still be fantastic for your skin, really luxurious using just the regular oil mentioned in the recipe. The choice is completely yours. You get that spa feel either way.
Okay, brilliant. So apart from CBD or even without it, what else makes this candle so good for the skin? What are the other key players?
Well, rice bran oil is a big one.
Rice bran oil, okay.
It's great because it can handle the heat well if you are doing infusions.
Yeah.
But skin-wise, it's fantastic.
Yeah.
It's got vitamin E, obviously,
Yeah.
but also these things called tocotrienols.
Tocotrienols.
Yeah, they're like super antioxidants, really good at protecting your skin from, daily damage, pollution, all that stuff. Think anti-aging.
Nice.
Plus, it's not a nut oil, so it's usually fine for sensitive skin or people with nut allergies. And it has lauric acid, fatty acids, just really nourishing stuff.
Okay, cool. And then there's mango butter. That just sounds delicious. The blog mentions something about it evening out skin tone. Even like on darker knees, how does that work?
Isn't that interesting? Mango butter is packed with vitamins A and C, which are known to help brighten skin. And it's super moisturizing, which improves the texture overall. So it's not instant, but using it regularly can definitely help fade areas of hyperpigmentation,
Yeah.
like those darker knees or elbows. It kind of gently encourages cell turnover.
Wow.
Plus, it makes the candle feel incredibly rich and smooth when it melts. Softens dry skin, reduces inflammation. It's a real workhorse.
Sounds like it. Okay, and the wax itself. You can't just use any old candle wax on your skin, right? That sounds risky.
Oh, definitely not. No, the blog is very specific about this. You need a particular soy wax that's actually made for skincare.
Ah, right.
It's different. It absorbs properly, doesn't clog pores, won't cause breakouts. That's a big one. And crucially, its melting point is low.
So it doesn't burn you.
Exactly. It melts into a warm oil, not a hot one. It feels comforting, therapeutic, totally different from a regular candle. That's key for safety and, well, the whole experience.
That's really good to know. Okay, last piece, essential oils. The blog says use pure ones, not fragrance oils. Why the distinction and how do you pick?
Yeah, pure essential oils are important. Fragrance oils can have synthetic stuff that might irritate skin. Pure oils offer actual therapeutic benefits alongside the scent. Choosing depends on what you want.
Mm.
calming before bed. Maybe petitgrain is from orange tree leaves. Smells lovely, soft, relaxing. Or classic lavender.
I love that you match it to the mood.
Yeah. Or you could even get nerdy and look at the terpenes.
Oh, like in cannabis.
Exactly. Terpenes give essential oils their scent and properties. Linalool, for example, is calming, good for stress and sleep. You find it in frankincense, bergamot,
Interesting.
so you can really tailor it. Neat uplifting. Look for limon in citrus oils like lemon or orange. It lets you personalize the whole thing.
So, okay, we've got this amazing candle. How do you actually use it? It sounds like it's not just for giving someone a massage.
Totally. It's super versatile. The process itself is simple.
Mm-hmm.
Light the candle, let a little pool of oil form,
Mm-hmm.
maybe, 10, 15 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Blow out the flame with just a few seconds, literally, just a few. Then pour the warm oil into your hand.
Pour warm wax. Feels a bit scary.
It does the first time. The blog calls it a leap of faith. But honestly, the feeling is incredible.
Yeah.
Just this warm, silky oil gliding onto your skin. It soaks right in. It's lovely.
I can imagine. And you were saying it's versatile.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
You don't need to plan a whole massage session.
Yeah.
Think sheer luxury, like just before bed.
Yeah.
Light it for maybe 5 minutes while you're brushing your teeth or whatever. Let that little pool melt. Blow it out and just scoop out that warm, melted goodness and rub it into your hands.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Or your feet. The blog calls it a foot treat. Put on some cozy socks afterwards. Your hands and feet will feel ridiculously soft the next morning. It's those little moments of pampering, makes a real difference.
That sounds absolutely wonderful. A little bit of everyday luxury.
And if any of this has got you thinking about making your own stuff or you just want more recipes like this, honestly, check out 420formulator.com. It's a really great site.
Yeah, I'd second that. If you're curious about DIY, skincare creams, lotions, even things like serums, or just want solid info on essential oils, 420formulator.com is definitely worth a look. It's packed with really well-explained guides and ideas. A genuine resource.
So maybe think about it. How could adding something simple like this warm massage candle ritual maybe change up your evenings? Could it bring a bit more calm, a bit more comfort to how you wind down? It's more than just skincare. It's a little invitation to pause and take care of yourself.